Hello guys, here we are again, and this time I'm going to explain you, or just to I'm going to make an explanation on how to make your computer easier to manage. And this time I'm going to explain you how to use the Word, or how to elaborate a Word document in the basic with the basic elements. So let's open the program. This is Word. We click on it, and then it will appear the page or the screen. Here we are in Word. Okay, as you know, Word has a lot of elements to use on it, and here we are. For example, we have a bar, different bars, and different bars to use. Something is related to every type of design that we can make on our document. If you're a worker or if you're a student, you can use it. Okay, let's type our something. For example, Universidad Autónoma de Guerrero. Okay, this is our text. This is our text. Okay, we have a text in here, and it's in blue color. But if we want to change the color of our text, we only click in here to select. We go to the left side, or we can make it from the left to the right, and we have selected. Okay, we only we only want to change the color. So select it first, and then go to this side, go to this place. It's called color de puente. In here you have different colors to change the text of your document. We select the most common, that is black color, and it's done. Okay, as you can see, we have the text in black color. But what happened if we want to change another or to add another element to our text? For example, to change the size of the text, we select it again, and we go to this table, to this little table that is called tamaño de puente. We can use by clicking in here, and we select the size of our preference, maybe smaller or medium, that is 12, or maybe bigger and bigger. Okay, we select this 28. It's fine for me, and we have it. We change the size of our text. Okay, if we want to add a little table of content, we can click on insertar, and it will appear different features in here, different features. But we are going to select a table of content. Okay, this is the basic element. Here we are the options, maybe to select a type of table of content. In this, for example, day, month, and year. This is an example of how we can use the table of content of our document, and we are done. Okay. If we want to make it a little bit attractive or a little bit interesting for the teacher, or just for a presentation in Word, we select this as always, and then go back to the inicio, and in these little features we can find sombreado. We can use sombreado when we are when we want to paint special cells of our table. In this case, we are gonna use the color, the yellow color, like this, and we are done again. Okay, day, month, and year. But what about another type of options that we have in here? We can change the type of letter that we are using in our document. Remember, we have to select the text first to make changes. Once we have it, we have a different type of letters that we can use in our document, in our text. And let's make like this. For example, we have many different options, but I like to use this type of letter that is kind of, you know, like really attractive for me to use. So let's select brush script empty, and it's done. Did you notice the change of the letter? We have also this one's like negritas, cursivas, also rayado, that they are options to make uh, clear emphasize, or just to emphasize elements in our text. We also can change the color of our full screen of our sheets, and let's select here color de página. We put it, we click on it, and if you notice, we are changing the color of our sheets. Okay, like this. But if you are typing different text like this, only to show you, let's gonna type a lot of letters, like if we were having a text in here, a real text. And the next option, the following option, is to change the paragraph. How? Okay, the paragraph, we have different options to change the paragraph. And again, we click on right button of the mouse, and and we have to click on it. We select it first, like this. We make a right click on the mouse. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm sorry. Let's begin. Let's go back, because we have another option in here to do the same. Let's go back and select the option when we have espacio entre líneas y párrafos. And here we have the option to change the spaces between one line and the other line. As you can see, here we have 1.15, that is the character, or that is the specialized space that we are using in our text in here. But if we want to change this, you now are watching the changes. What how big or how small the space between lines is. We don't want 1.15. I want 1.0. Okay, so I select it, and right now it's done. Did you notice the difference? We can also change the way the text looks. For example, we have in here different type of text that they are determined, or that they are really like designed for this one. So you can select from all of these type of select to make or to emphasize the type of text that is A, B, C, D, A, B, C. They are just examples how the paragraph is, how the paragraph looks. Okay, I keep the same like this. I want to change. I don't want negritas, but I want to change the color black color. Okay. But what about if we want to make some changes that is different to, for example, to put I don't know, maybe if we want to have a letter or a description in the front or in the superior part of the sheet, like this. So let's go to pie de página, and here we have different type of styles that we can use. For example, like this, we use this in pie de página, and we select maybe it could be a number, page 7, maybe. I love the number 7, so this is my example. We click on it. Also, we can have, or we can put a different type of text in the superior part, like this one. Maybe by clicking only technologies and English classes. Okay, this is an example. We can click out of the space that is belong to encabezado, and that's it. Okay guys, I hope this information maybe will help you to use the basic elements on document Word. I think I'm not an expert. The purpose for making this video is not just to show how to use technology or the simple technology, the comfort of your home. The purpose, I guess, is just to interacting with yourself, maybe making reflective question if you are learning, if you are developing new skills, maybe, and to identify all your mistakes that you made when you're speaking, when you are trying to give a personal explanation, when you are making different things. Okay, so I hope this information will help you, and that's it for me, and see you later. Thank you so much.